Having children brings a certain joy in your life that nothing else in this world can ever give. Children also strengthen the bond of relationships and marriages. Couples feel more love for each other knowing that they have brought such a beautiful bundle of joy into this universe. It is therefore heart-wrenching and soul-breaking when a woman finds out she can't have children. As a woman, you feel empty, broken and lacking in something that could have made you whole. Your self-esteem and self-worth becomes affected, and for some, it all comes crashing down around them. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Most affected women will do just about anything to get pregnant. This makes them vulnerable, and so many of them end up becoming victims of scams and other useless products that are full of nothing but empty promises. Lauren Lee's pregnancy approach is a guide that seeks to help women who have had trouble getting pregnant learn special methods that they can use to conceive within a span of 2 months. This easy-to-follow program has proved effective for so many women out there, as seen in the reviews written by its users. Lauren Lee, the mastermind behind this program, was also a victim of infertility before. She suffered pain and disappointment during the time until one day she discovered the secret to getting pregnant. It is this secret that she wills to share with you and other women out there who are undergoing the same problem she underwent before. Because of her experience, you can rest assured that she completely knows and understands how you feel. She states that by adhering to the step-by-step outline she has provided in her guide, you will be able to get pregnant within 8 weeks. There is so much you will acquire from this program. There is a lot of information provided there and well elaborated that will see you learn some new stuff. The author also mentions the mistakes that many couples make while trying to get pregnant. You will be surprised to find that perhaps you have been making some of them too. Men will also be advised on what they can do to increase their sperm count and the swimming rate of their sperms. Click the link in the description below this video for details.